Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming inputs. Plug in your mic or USB interface and make sure phantom power is on if needed. Once connected, open Garageband and pick voice or empty project so tracks match your source. This makes routing simpler. Next, go to Garageband preferences and set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz for music or 48 kHz for video. This choice affects audio quality and file size. Finally, create a new audio track and name it so you don't lose focus. Now you configure routing and monitoring. Click the track's input dropdown and choose the correct interface channel. Enable monitoring so you can hear yourself through headphones. Then, set your interface gain so peaks sit near -6 dB. This gives headroom and avoids clipping. If you see red, lower the gain immediately. In GarageBand's audio preferences, pick a buffer size. Lower for real-time monitoring, higher to reduce CPU strain. Once levels feel good, add light compression or EQ to preview the final tone. You're ready to record. Arm the track, enable count-in if you need timing, and press record. Perform while watching meters to keep consistent levels. After stopping, play back and trim takes as needed. Use comping if you recorded multiple passes. Save the project immediately, then export song to disk as WAV or AAC depending on your delivery needs. If you run into latency, drop the buffer size and close other apps. If noise appears, check cables. Grounding and confirm sample rate matches your interface to avoid drift or clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.